In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily delete your recent call history on your iPhone. Deleting your call history can help protect your privacy and keep your call log organized. To get started, open up the phone app on your iPhone and then tap Recents at the bottom left. Now you'll be able to see all the recent calls. To delete a specific call record from the recents, simply swipe left. And then tap on the trash can icon to delete it. If you want to delete multiple call records from recents, simply tap Edit at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Select. And then tap the minus button. And tap Delete. By following these simple steps, you can quickly delete your recent call history on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.